You want to learn useState in 90 seconds? Here we go. useState is without a doubt the most important and the most frequently used hook. Import it in your React app and then type out useState. The purpose of useState is to handle reactive data. Any data that changes in the application is called state. When the state changes, React will then update the UI so that the latest changes are reflected to the end user. This hook takes an optional argument, which is the default state. We will set this to 0. This is a function that returns an array that contains two values that you can use within your component. They get returned in an array so that we can destructure them with JavaScript to assign the values to local variables that we can then name whatever we want. The first value is the reactive data or state. If we then reference that in the UI and its value changes later on, React will rebuild the UI to show the latest value. It will start with a value of 0, which is our default value of the hook. But how can we change its value in the future? We can do that with the second element in the array, which is a setter function. For example, we can listen to the onClick event for a button. When it is clicked, the setter function gets called to increment the count by 1. useEffect is the next most important hook to learn for React. useEffect is the most complicated hook, but you can learn it in 90 seconds by watching this video here.